So these flowers are kind of special. My husband lost his grandparents, three grandparents earlier this spring, early in the year and into the spring. And these flowers were actually from seed packets that were at his grandmother's house. So we have a little bit of a legacy hanging around in the backyard. Makes us think of her, remember her, love her, remember all the things she taught us. Super pretty. Just seed packet of random wildflowers we found in the pantry. So I planted them to see what we'd come up with, and this is what she's blessed us with this year. To many people, this might just look like just weeds and garbage. But again, my husband lost his grandfather as well. And he always had wild garlic growing in the backyard. So we transplanted some of the wild garlic and brought it over here. And we picked some of it, and it actually has some garlic underneath. Yes, it needs some maintaining, but you know, that's what we got. So a blessing. We have garlic from her granddad, and flowers from his grandmother. Legacies live on.